Hi there, my name is Ingrid and I wanted to give you my honest review on this dry erase board calendar. So first off, I want to measure it out for you guys. Okay, so it comes with one calendar and then one like to-do list. So I'll measure out the to-do list. It is 14, 14 by 11. And then the calendar is actually yes, 17 by 12. Okay, so 11 by 14, 12 by 17. Okay, so as you can see, like if you have like a double door fridge, this is how it'll look on your fridge. So it's pretty spacious, so you can write a lot of things on it. The way that I'm using the to-do list board is to plan out my meals on a daily basis. So it has from Monday through Sunday. I also, because it has so much space, I'm also able to put in like little notes, like what needs to go in this bag, and what do I need to prep for before work, and like little things like that. So you can also use it for a checklist as well. And then it also has this month calendar overview, which is really great for people, if you're like always on the go and you have like a really tight schedule and you have a family and you're trying to coordinate all these schedules. That way everybody can know like what's happening on a daily basis by just looking at the fridge, which they're going to look at the fridge every day. So yeah, you can swap out the months and everything. I also color coordinated it a little bit, by using the different colors that it comes with. It comes with purple, pink, blue, and then also comes with a black one. But the black one, it ran out of ink because I used it so much. And then like a really good thing, like a good tip for you to know is to always have them upside down on your fridge. So it's magnetic, it'll just prop right on your fridge. Because I noticed if I had it upright, all of the ink would go down, and so it wouldn't write as well. So always have it upside down. It also comes with this eraser. So I'm going to just show you by writing on here how well it writes. Okay, so I'm gonna put here birthday party. Okay, and then I'll erase it here. You can erase it with this as well. So I'll erase here. And then with this eraser, the big eraser, I'll also erase. So it's cool because it has different ways that you can erase. And yeah, overall, I really like it. I really feel like it's helped me organize, our schedules as a family. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. It comes with, like I said, like 2 boards. So like you can really plan out all the things that you need to plan out for your family.